Hey y'all, what's up? It's John with BeSuperfly. Hope you're doing well. What is the Super Theme Builder? I'm going to show you what it is today and how we use it at our agency that saves us tons of time, hours, off each website build. So first, how do you get to this? In your account, just scroll down. You'll see Member Resources, access the Superfly Builder. That's what you want to click on. After that, you'll come to this page. You can always have this Start Over button here to start over. It might ask you to log in to export your layout. So log in with your Superflyer membership. But start over. Here we have 4 different super themes that you can use the Super Theme Builder with. You can also use it without using any of these, which I'll get into at the end of this video. There'll be a longer tutorial that we'll link to under this video. But here are the first 4. The basic one's the wireframe kit. And we ended up just solely using this one at our agency because it's kind of a blank slate. You get to style it how you want, but you still have all these sections pre-built for you. This one's more of a classier one, and you can check these out. These are all linked up on our shop. You can see back here what this looks like. But all 4 have all of the same layout. So if I go to the feature page here on Hawthorne, it's going to be the same as if I go to the feature page here on Milo. Let me go ahead and do that here. Feature. And the same on Phoenix, which is my favorite one. Feature. All right, let me go back. So here's all the feature sections on Hawthorne. And you can see these are already responsive, already somewhat styled for you if your client likes this. Easily for you to go in and change images and text to your liking. Here's the feature on Milo. Very nice. And then same on Josephine. Obviously some images are missing. You can just put your own images in there. Yes. And then lastly, you can still load up a wireframe kit and drag out the sections that you would like and use them in your regular Divi projects that you're not using a super theme on. So this project, I'm not using a super theme, but you can see here, I've pulled some of the sections from the super theme builder here, especially this one here, all of these right here. This here is one I really like. These are all in the super theme builder. And when I drug them over, they adopted my theme customizer stylings. And so it was very little work to tweak them to get them to be part of this site that's not even using one of the super theme builders, child themes. Or you can load up one like Phoenix, like I mentioned, my favorite. And this is, I just worked on this actually, and it has all these sections loaded. Let's say I wanted to add a feature list right up here above there. There we go. Let's say I want to add in a opt-in. That one looks pretty sweet. Actually, let's do this one. That's a nice break right there. Maybe I want the logos down here. And then all you do is export this out as a JSON file, load it into the page you're working on in the Divi Builder. Again, there'll be a more extensive tutorial that we'll link to here. But this tool has saved our agency tons of time in building out sites, especially interior pages. Usually a senior designer gets the homepage built right and then builds an interior page, kind of like this one. And then a junior builder goes in and they built out the rest of the site using a lot of the Super Theme Builder sections, a lot of these sections. So you can either use this with one of these 4 super themes as a child theme, or if you use wireframe kit, you can use it without a super theme and use it on any Divi project that you want. Can't wait to see what you build with the Super Theme Builder, and I hope it saves you a ton of time and helps you make more money as it has with our agency. All right, cheers y'all. Stay fly.